this, it would get rid of a lot of that, and I don't even see it anymore.
Oh, so you got rid of the stuff that you was concerned about.
Yeah, like there was stuff going on.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it doesn't even show anymore.
Awesome. Okay. Yeah, that's what happened. You put a good finish down. You know what? I don't even remember what it was. So obviously it did. Yeah. Yep. But there were some worn areas as well. Nice.
Oh yeah, like I said, I couldn't tell you if they've ever been touched before or not, because you know we certainly never did it. You know, we've lived in here for 7 years. So,
nice.
But yeah, no, this will.
Hey, what's up, guys? Today is Tuesday, April the 22nd. We're out here. We have a late start today, but I'm not complaining because we had a late last night from Marietta. So anyway, it is starting to sprinkle out here. We're out here in a neighborhood that I've worked in lots of time. It's called the Traditions of Brazelton. But what's unique about this subdivision, it's in Jefferson. So anyway, I was just talking to the homeowners. They actually, the wife, Lisa, follows me on Facebook. And Donald, and I never came out and did a consultation. He contacted me about a month ago. I sent him a proposal for the square footage, which is about 1,850 square feet at $250 a square foot. And he was just telling me, he said, yeah, Courtney, I went on Google. I called one company. They insisted that I sand the floors. And he said, I had already done my research. And I knew the floors didn't need to be sanded. And he said they assisted, that there was no other option but sand. So he went down the list. He said I was number 2. He called me. We had a discussion. I told him to send me pictures. He sent me pictures, square footage. I sent him a proposal. And now we're here doing the job. So it's probably like close to 1 o'clock in the afternoon. We're not doing UV here. So Christian, my recommended moving guys, they're here moving the furniture. So anyway, guys, let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, so we are in the Traditions of Brazelton. When I tell you guys, this is one of the most beautiful neighborhoods I've ever seen and also work in. Like I said, I have probably done maybe over 30 homes in this neighborhood. So let me flip this around and show you guys what we got going. So these are just some Brazilian cherry floors. So even if you was to full sand these floors, it has its own color, so you can always tell when the floor is natural. So you see different colors. See how this board is dark, that one is light. So these floors have this natural color. And guys, it's just the finish is just starting to take some wear. And I will say overall, guys, the floors are not in bad condition. Okay, I mean honestly, if I was walking into this house to look to see, you know, if I wanted to buy this house, the floors would not be like, oh my God, look at these floors. They really wouldn't. But I will say clients like this, they understand the value of the home, and they also understand the value of making the floors look presentable and making them look better will help with the sale. So what we're going to be doing, guys, is this whole area right here. Also this beautiful kitchen, this whole living room. So Christian and them are moving the furniture now. This area right here, not doing any stairs, but we have that landing, and a hallway upstairs. So Donald and his family just gonna chill in the they're just gonna chill in the basement while we're working, and then this dining room in this foyer. And there's Christian and his guy. All right, those are guys that always help my clients out with their moving needs. All right, guys, well, we'll go ahead and get started. All right, guys, got this floor screened, vacuum clean. Now we're about to get the coating down. Actually, I had a few consultations, and actually one of them was a repeat client that used me 2 years ago to screen and recoat his place of business. Now he wants me to come look at his floors in Suwanee. So that's a good thing when repeat clients give me a call back. Lets me know I'm doing something good. All right, guys, go ahead and get these floors coated. And floor's gonna be looking good, Tavares has already did the landings. Tavares, do me a favor. Bring one of them, that long trim pad. Oh. Yep. All right, guys, stay tuned. Yes. Yes. That's that way. Come on and check it out.
Moment of truth.
Yes, sir. All right, guys, we are done. These floors came out great again. There it is, guys. Yep. So we went with a satin finish on this floor. I felt that it would be perfect for this floor. Plus, this is probably the first time the floors have been professionally touched. So the lower the sheen, it does hide certain things. For example, there was a deep scratch over here that my guy asked about. Remember right up in here?
Oh, okay.
You can barely see it.
Yeah.
You can barely see it. So that's one thing about the Brazilian cherry, guys. I'm talking to the camera too, so I'm good. I got you in there. So that's one thing about the Brazilian cherry. It has its own color. So even if you would have fully sanded this floor, it would have still been the same color. And I will say, from my expertise and learning from sanding guys, this is one of those floors you do not want to try to stain because it's hard for the stain to penetrate. Yep. Oh, the house going on the market next Thursday? May 1st. Okay, awesome. All right, so Donald. Thank you, Donald. Thank you. All right, guys. Well, our day is done. Actually, I had 2 consultations come in that got on the schedule. One is actually for next Thursday in Beaufort, and another one's for the following week. So they said, Courtney, let's go ahead and get on the schedule, get our floors done. All right, guys. Well, that's going to do it. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one. One of the recent updates. Yep.